lipstick first. Oh, that's why. I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna do the rest of the blue before I fix this. This is Sky from the Beauty Bay palette. Ooh, pretty. I have this. I think I want to put a butterfly somewhere, maybe here. So I think I'm gonna have to stamp it on. I don't have many kabuki brushes that are completely flat, but this one should be sturdy enough. And I'm gonna use the Powerpuff Girls blue. Let's see how this works. It doesn't look like a butterfly. Whoa, why is my camera doing that? Stop. It kind of looks like a bird or something. Now what? I gotta fix my under eye here. I'm gonna spray this to lock the powder, hopefully, because this is powder, and I'm gonna use face paint over top of it. Much better. Much better. Oh, I love it. Okay. Oh, I forgot my glue. Hold on. Oh, sorry. I've also got these with gemstones on them. I think I'm gonna go with that, actually. This is so much higher than this. So other than my hair being wonky, I don't have many, like, oh gosh, it's hot in here. Oh my gosh. It's just broken. I guess I can still use it. Oh no, it's on my teeth. My teeth are blue. Well, this is going well. I don't want to use auto framing. I don't like my under eye at all. I'm gonna today is a mess today.
There's somebody at the door for Stencils, which is the company that's doing the gas line stuff. They need to talk to you. They talk to me, but I don't know.
I don't know either. What are they saying?
They had to put in new gas lines.
Oh.